guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kyla and I spend my time making makeup videos. Hi, how are you? So today we are going to do a gratis haul. If you're new to my channel or the makeup world, you would need to know that gratis is free stuff that brands give us at Sephora as employees. That way we can try the products out and be able to tell clients honestly how we feel about them and like how the product works best or what it's good for, what it's not so good for, that kind of thing. So I have two different bouts here. I'm not entirely sure what episode we're on. I have to look. But I had this one bag that I got a few small things that I've saved for when I got some more gratis so I could do it all together. We are on gratis episode 21. Oh wow, that's a lot. So I think I'm going to go through the small one first and then put in the education gratis. Education gratis is something that you like watch videos and they have like a bunch of information that they give you about the products, and then they send you some of them, or sometimes you can pick between different options depending on what you think would work best for you. And yeah, and then they send you the products and you can review them, and then you can really talk to the clients about them. So let's go through this one first. We got the Drunk Elephant La La Whipped Retro Moisturizer. I love this stuff and I know it's going to be great in the winter. My skin is doing it terribly right now. I'm not sure how well you can tell since I have a bunch of makeup on, but I'm breaking out all in here really badly and then a little bit here and here. But like it's been 2 to 3 weeks now that I'm just like so broken out, and I'm taking stuff out of my routine, putting stuff back in my routine, like using only certain things and not other things, and like nothing is helping. Like I can't figure out what is making me break out so much. Like I don't know. Like, is it stress? Is it something else? Like I really don't know what it is. So we are just kind of rolling with the punches at this point. But that's what we're dealing with. But so I'm not gonna try this until I get this sorted out. I mean, I've used this before, but I'm not gonna like open this one. Drunk Elephant is really good for sending us products to try. We have gotten the Protini, we've full size, we've gotten the I can't think what that's called. The Epacioni, the retinol, which is my favorite. We've gotten the new makeup remover balm. I can't think of what it's called. It's really new. You should see it. It's in like one of my most recent gratis videos. And then we've gotten this. So this is really exciting to try. This has like their African oils, and they just reformulated it to have ceramides. So it's going to be a little bit different than what it used to be, and that's why they're sending it to us again, essentially, because I know people got this before, but I wasn't with the company when it launched. So it has ceramides in it now, which kind of help boost and like plump the skin in a sense, not in like kind of deal, but like just like supporting the skin and adding hydration in. So I'm excited to use this because ceramides work really well in my skin usually, but I mean nothing seems to be working lately, but it's fine. And then we got the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. So this is pretty interesting. I'm kind of excited for this. I'm using the, I can't think of what it's called. I can't think of anything right now. First Day Beauty, the cleanser, Ultra Repair Cleanser. Why can't I think of what anything's called? I'm almost out of it too. Well, I bought another bottle during 21 Days of Beauty, but I don't know. So I'm thinking about switching it up, like just switching everything in my skincare routine. Like the past 2 days, I've only used cleanser and moisturizer instead of like, because usually I use an oil and a serum and like sometimes an overnight mask, and it's just something is irritating my skin. So I went with a cleanser and an oil, and that's it. And that's what we're working with. So we'll see about this. It's supposed to get rid of makeup too. AM and PM. It's a balancing cleanser. That's interesting. Maybe that's what I need. And then we have this Cora Organics Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask 2-in-1. It's an illuminating mask. Turmeric does well with my skin, I will say that. But anything that's brightening usually puts me off. Ooh, I might use that. Because brightening things typically have vitamin C, and vitamin C, unless it's in an oil, breaks me out really badly. But it doesn't say anything on it other than that it's exfoliating mask. So, I mean, I would like to try it. Put it on damp skin. Someone else, another brand has something like this. Volition has something like this that works really well, actually. And this is similar to the pumpkin enzyme mask from Peter Thomas Roth as well. So I'm excited to try that. And then, so this part, the last thing is the Ren Clean Sunscreen Mineral SPF 30 Mattifying Face Sunscreen. Ooh, 22% zinc. No chemical UV filters, no silicone. Yeah, so it's not going to be UVA and UVB. It would just be one, but I don't know which one. Interesting. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and it's clean. Interesting. This would be nice. I just opened up a new sunscreen, the Lancome one. I was using a PCR one, and I ran out. So that's not what's breaking me out, though. I've only been using that new sunscreen. I've only used it twice now, so it's not that that's doing this problem. But it'd be interesting to try this one. So next is this big old bag. I just got this a few days ago, and I'm pretty excited for it. It made my day because I've had a long weeks here lately. Not just my stuff breaking out, but like a lot of things are going on in my life right now that I'm not going to talk about right now. But it's, you know, that's what it is. But this is cotton, sterilized and organic, 100% cotton balls. I want to open it and like look at them, but I don't know if I can get it open without cutting it, and I don't feel like digging scissors out. Oh well. But it came with these. Anyways, it's the Dr. Dennis Gross, the new resurfacing liquid peel. I'm pretty hyped for this. Philosophy. Oh my gosh, my dogs are like having a cow out there. Philosophy has something like this that I absolutely love, but it's like $80, something like that. It's really expensive. So I haven't justified buying that. I've just gotten a sample of it. But this is similar. It's like a lactic glycolic and bromelain peel. And then it has centella, sciatica, green tea extract, and Clota oatmeal to soothe, I guess. I'm really excited for this. It's a step 1 and a step 2, so I'm really hyped. This is relatively new, and I guess you use the cotton with it. And then we have, I'm just pulling stuff out. Skin Fix Barrier Plus Foaming Oil Cleanser, sulfate-free hydrating wash. Oh, another cleanser. This came smooshed, and I like opened it up and like let the air in so that it would flop back out. It says this luxurious creamy foam gently washes away dirt and makeup with sulfate-free coconut-derived cleansers, leaving skin hydrated and soft and supple. Ooh. That's exciting. I used one of their creams. I have a small one, and I first thought that was what was breaking me out, but I stopped. I only used it like twice. But I stopped using it, and I'm still breaking out, so I don't think it was that. Like, I really don't know what it is, because, like I said, I've taken stuff out, like, stopped using some stuff, started using other things, like, and nothing is helping or changing. Like, I'm still breaking out, so I don't know. But this I'm excited for, and I really like that moisturizer that I had. It was very, like, thick feeling, but not, like, cakey feeling. It just felt really nice. And then we have this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I think I've used this. I don't think this is new. Yeah. Put it on wet face, massage in a circular motion for 30 seconds, leave on for 2 minutes, rinse and pat dry. Yes, I believe my friend at work likes this, and she told me to use it in the shower, and I think I had the same of it and use it in the shower. It's like green, I think. Yes, I liked it. It's okay. I don't know why I never like am drawn to Kate Somerville. Like, some people are diehard fans of her stuff, but like I'm just never into it, and I don't know why. I just look at it and the packaging is bland for starters. So, I don't know. And then we have this Dermalogica Professional Grade Skincare by the International Dermal Institute. Daily Micro Exfoliant. It's like a powder sounding. Achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with this iconic exfoliating powder. Rice-based powder activates upon contact with water, releasing papain, salicylic acid, and rice enzymes to polish skin to perfection. A skin brightening complex of phytic acid from rice bran, wheat tea, and licorice helps balance uneven skin tone, while a super soothing blend of colloidal oatmeal and allantoin helps calm skin, gentle enough for daily use. Ooh, I don't usually like stuff that's gentle enough for daily use. I know that's sad, but like I only like to exfoliate like once to twice a week, maybe. And so if it's gentle enough for daily use, I don't feel like it's doing enough when I use it once to twice a week. Oh, you see, it's a pretty decent size though, 74 grams. Huh, it's just like a white powder. I see it in there. So I guess we'll see. Tatcha has something like this, I believe, that you can mix with an oil. But this one you're supposed to mix with water. But I like the Tatcha one. So next, this is what I was really excited for because I'm scared to run out of my Grande Lash. This is Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare Lashes to Die For Turbo Conditioning Lash Enhancer. So I think this is a lash growth serum, which is what I'm using now from Grande Lash. But the Grande Lash, you can't see because I have makeup on, but it leaves my eye red, like a line from where I put it on red. So, not my favorite thing about that, but my lashes look really good. So, I like it. It just leaves me red and can irritate them sometimes. And then we have this, which one of my coworkers uses this religiously, and her hair looks so good. This is the Verb Ghost Oil. It's smoothing moringa blend and weightless hair oil. And it just is supposed to restore your hair and make it shiny and free of frizz and whatnot. Smooth, basically. And her hair looks so good. She goes through so much of this. So, I'm excited to have it. I have a little one, but I never use it. I should though. I really should. Help with the frizz. Next is the last skincare bit. Clinique Moisture Surge. 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. Allergy tested 100%. Okay, so this is the cream gel one. I don't know how I feel about that. I typically like much richer products for my face. I get really dry. My face feels really dry right now because I haven't been using oils. Past 2 times I've done my face routine. So it's I need heavy moisture because my skin gets so dry. So, and then we have Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray. I'm not gonna lie to you, I rarely do any heat product, heat action to my hair. Not even once a month, honestly. I straighten my hair so rarely. I never, ever, ever blow dry. I had a blow dryer from that BOXYCHARM box forever ago, and I've used it once, and I used it the last time I straightened my hair. That was it, because I needed it dried really quickly so I could straighten it. So this protects up to 450 degrees. That's it. It just has helped keep your hair cleaner longer, interesting, without weighing it down. So that's cool, but I just don't hardly ever use stuff like this. I have so much of it. So I don't know. Maybe I can give it to my sister or something. Then there's this, which is Triple Sec 3-in-1 texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes. Blanc scent. When my hair does get flat sometimes at the top, especially near when I need to start washing it, because I don't wash my hair daily. I actually try to go 4 days before I wash my hair. So I don't use a lot of dry shampoo either, but I do sometimes on the 4th day, depending on if I have a lot of product in my hair, it'll start to get greasier looking. But I find that this has helped my hair look healthier, look shinier, not greasy shinier, just overall always shinier and less frizzy. So that's what I've been doing. So sometimes I need volume, but I usually like just dry shampoo, because it helps with the greasiness as well. So that was that. It's a lot of skincare, no makeup. But, I love skincare, so it's really fine. My makeup arsenal is large, so I don't like need makeup per se. And we just filled out another survey for our next Gratis. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. So look for that in November. But we got quite a few good things. Like what I'm most excited for, I'm definitely excited for this. I'm excited for this. The oil, the cleanser, the lash thing, and the Lala. I'm excited for a lot of this, and I can't hold it all, but I just can't wait. And I'm so grateful that I get to try stuff like this whenever I do end up leaving Sephora, because I know it's coming, and I don't know if it's coming soon, but it could be. I'm gonna miss being able to try things and like being involved in everything that I like so much, because like I know I'm still gonna buy a lot of makeup and skincare and whatnot, but I'm not gonna get to try as much as I do now. And it's just such a blessing to be able to do that and to be able to tell people about like how I feel about it and what I like about it and everything. So I'm gonna miss that. But that being said, thank you guys for watching this episode of my Gratis review, episode 21. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way on to the next video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.